Unlocking the potential of AI tools can transform your financial landscape, allowing you to earn money effortlessly. Imagine waking up to find your income has grown overnight, all thanks to automation. Let's dive into 10 powerful AI tools that can help you achieve just that. First up is Jasper AI, a high-end writing assistant that can craft compelling blog posts, product descriptions, and email campaigns. Freelancers are charging over $100 for content generated by Jasper, making it a lucrative option for anyone looking to monetize their writing skills. Next, we have Canva Magic Studio. This innovative tool leverages AI to create stunning social media posts, reels, and carousels, all formatted perfectly for you. You can even bundle these creations into content packs and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Then there's Stan Store, your all-in-one AI-powered storefront. It simplifies selling digital downloads, consultations, and affiliate links while automatically generating landing pages. This means you can focus on your products while the platform handles the technical details. 11 Labs is another game changer, allowing you to create high-quality AI voiceovers. Whether you're selling voice packs, audiobooks, or producing faceless content, this tool can help you scale your audio projects quickly and efficiently. Pictory AI is perfect for those looking to turn written content into engaging videos in seconds. This tool is ideal for YouTube automation channels or repurposing content for TikTok, saving you time while expanding your reach. Believe it or not, chatbots can be monetized too, thanks to Replica and AI companions. You can build your own AI companion and charge for premium conversations, merchandise, or exclusive access on platforms like Discord. Pairing ChatGPT with Zapier allows you to automate entire workflows, from emails to social media management and customer support. This combination can be marketed as a service to busy business owners who need to streamline their operations. Printify, combined with AI design tools like Midjourney or Ideogram, lets you create unique t-shirt designs without holding any inventory. Every sale generates income, making it a low-risk way to enter the e-commerce space. Koala Writer is a favorite among blog writers for its ability to generate SEO-optimized articles instantly. This tool not only saves time, but also helps you monetize your content through ads or affiliate marketing. Finally, Opus Clip AI is perfect for content creators looking to repurpose long videos into short clips quickly. This tool can save you hours of editing and can be offered as a service to other creators and coaches who want to maximize their content's reach. AI isn't just a tool. It's a comprehensive system for building multiple streams of income. By stacking 2 or 3 of these tools, you can create a robust passive income strategy that works for you even while you sleep.